ಸಮಯ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಉದ್ದಾರ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಡೀಮಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಡೀಮ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೆಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ತಿರುಪತಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ತುವಾಗ ಒಂದು 7-8 ಜನ ದಂಪತಿಗಳು ಏರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಕೆಗೆ ಸಂಕೋಚ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕೆ ಗಂಡನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಆಕೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು, ಉಳಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕಿ ನೀವು ಅನ್ನಂಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಅಂದಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಮಾತುಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಈ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಲೈಮ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಲಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಒಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾನೂನಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರೇನು ವಿಷಯ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಾವು PRCL ನಾವು ಲಾದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಫೀಲ್ಡು ಹೊರತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ SCC ಆನ್ಲೈನ್, ಮನೋಪತ್ರ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇವೇನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್, 50 years ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ AIRದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 1 ಗಂಟೆ 2 ಗಂಟೆ 3 ಗಂಟೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗೋದು. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಧ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈಗ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಷನ್, ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ವೆದರ್ lawyers will be replaced by artificial intelligence, judges so and so and so. Dr. Venugopal, so long human existence is there, human beings cannot be replaced at all. Because you want to ask a question, we are required. Solutions may come, but what questions must be asked? Many times people learn more from seekers. That's why it may assist us, save time, give better ideas, but yet you can't dispense with the human being in final analysis. That's one thing I wanted to say. Yes, technology should assist, but we should not lose our innovation, creativity, and thinking. I give an example here. Earlier, whenever large journals were there, reported judgments used to be there. The editor used to prepare head note. In all judgments, head note used to be there. Many times, lawyers going and looking to the head notes without going to the facts of the case landed in problems. Today, because head note is something, facts of each case differ, your one paragraph may make difference. Today, I see the youngsters, the moment they go on SCC online, look at the point, heading, they jump, yes, I got the position. That's not correct. Even if you have saved time to locate the particular decision, but yet you have to thoroughly read the entire thing, whether it is distinguishable, whether it is different, whether it is concurrent, all that is required application of mind is still required. I'm happy that legal limelight is launched today in the august presence of all of you. The necessity or the need of such newsletters is very much necessary, although there are already many. But the test is, if this newsletter has to become successful, has to become useful, it has necessarily to remain relevant and useful in the competitive world. For that, now I see from here, the legal team consists of very experienced people, headed by Mr. M.P. Murugaramurthy, whom I know well. He has brought with him the experience. And team means, what is a team? Team is a group of persons. In that group of persons, all persons may not be equal in qualification, may not be equal in experience, may not be equal in talents, but they can be certainly equal in commitment. If the team has got commitment, every one of the members, this applies to all our, whether it is PRCL, any institution, the glory, greatness, utility, and quality of that institution depends upon the people who work for or work under that particular institution. I'm sure with this team you have, definitely you will do better. This newsletter, of course, I have seen what are the objects of this newsletter. Newsletter need not be confined only to the decisions of the High Courts or Supreme Court. All roads must lead to one destination, namely good of the people. All of us in different professions, lawyers, engineers, doctors, various institutions and various organizations think that, yes, as a judge I am doing my best. A lawyer thinks that I have done my best to assist the court. Doctors think similarly, all professions. But I would like to state this. What we think of ourselves is important, but not that important. What the society thinks about us is more important. How the society looks at it. So, here when we reporting the decisions, particularly for the benefit of youngsters, my suggestion is make it simple, make it understandable, analyze and put it straight with regard to the decisions, but let it be a journal section also. The journal section must contain informative and innovative articles towards reforms. All of us must have three burning questions in us, in any profession, including even this law times. This newsletter, live late newsletter, even this applies to them and everybody. We must have three magical questions. Question one is, the lady mentioned about next. Question one, what next? Question two, what more? Question three, what else? What next? What more? What else? These three magical questions will drive you to the excellence. Mr. Murugaramurthy, your team must have these three questions when improving and bringing this newsletter better. Einstein said, I contextually quote, nobody should forget the common man or the man. His main concern of all inventions, all discoveries, all endeavors must be the common man. Don't forget him amidst your theorems and diagrams. So, anything we do in any walk of life, whether it is in the public interest, whether it is good for the people, that must be our concern. You have got a very heavy responsibility. Newspapers, newsletters, and magazines, the editors and the people concerned, editors, designers, journalists, reporters, whoever they are, heavy responsibility is there in terms of accuracy, integrity, and reputation. That responsibility is more when you want to serve the people. I do not wish to take longer time. Already long time has been taken. If you want somebody to present till then, make you the president of the function. Beyond this, we do not want to take. It is a time now. I very strongly believe it is better. The time demands now. There is no dearth for the speeches. Speeches should be there. But today the demand of the time is move from sermon to service, from preaching to practice, from promises to performance. Move from sermons to service, from preaching to practice, from promises to performance. Without saying anything more, I think the time demands we shall have to consider. Let this legal limelight become a bright light in the days to come to guide and enlighten all. I congratulate the PRCL for this new venture. Mr. Ramakrishna, the impression I gather is you are a dynamic person to carry out the purpose of this issue in Karnataka chapter. Well, keep it up, and I congratulate and appreciate the PRCL in this regard. I wish the legal limelight excellent service in the years to come. Starting a newspaper or newsletter is ambitious, but maintaining it consistently is a really challenging and difficult job. The enthusiasm we have today should never be allowed to be diminished. Keep on doing. And your newsletter must be in such a demand that first, legal limelight, there is something good. So, for the public good, whether about the constitution, whether about the reforms, whatever it is, let this newsletter, besides the legal framework, also consider what is good for the society and educate them accordingly. I once again wish you all well, the newsletter a success in the days to come. I thank the PRCL and all the organizers for this opportunity to share my few thoughts. Thank you. Jai Hind.